18 days, I hadn't seen my son. Why was I not allowed by Mr. Zuma to see my son for 18 days? Even under the most cruel regime, apartheid regime, people were allowed visitors.
We have waited for 7 years since TZ's death. 7 years.
Oh, I see.
Since TZ's death for official contact from the ANC. Nobody, despite what he did for the organization, came to us to say we're sorry, just to offer their sympathy. No one came. There is some contradiction. The military wing was with him. They supported him right through. Even at the time when his corpses were fetched from Zambia, they were with him. They were working with the family. They had nothing against him. And the people who were not working with him, that is the security, is the group that had something to do with him. There's that contradiction, which shows that there was a little click. One of the papers quoted that there was a struggle of power. And of course we know, my son said it when we had gone to see him the last time in Zambia. He said it, that there was bad blood between him and Jacob Zuma.